Hello everyone, Code to Crack is here with you with our first video on competitive programming. In this video, we are not just going to talk about competitive programming, but we will show you the exact path a beginner should follow to master competitive programming. But remember one thing, there is no such magic going to happen with you. It includes a lot of dedication, hard work, and most importantly, consistency. You need to be consistent. So let's begin with it. So the first question that comes up in our mind is, what is competitive programming? Competitive programming is a mind sport that is held over the internet, in which a lot of programmers compete with each other in order to provide the most optimized solution of the question under special constraints of time. Another question that may come up in your mind is, why competitive programming? See, the main goal is to prepare a programmer such that his logical ability increases and he can write codes in the most challenging situations. And you only tell me, who don't want to be the best? I want to be the best. Maybe you also want to be the best. And everyone wants to work with the best organization. And you know and I know which is the leading organization of current time. I can tell FANG is the leading organization. But you may think, what is FANG? FANG is F for Facebook, A for Apple, A for Amazon, N for Netflix, and G for Google. So to work with these leading companies, we have to crack their exams and interviews. And if you think their interviews are very much tough, you are thinking wrong. They ask questions from easy to medium level. And that's why we see many top competitive programmers ending up in these companies. So it's not very tough, you can also be there. Another question that may come up to your mind is, when to start competitive coding? The simple answer that anyone could suggest you is, as early as possible. It doesn't matter whether you are in first year, second year, or third year. Obviously, if you could start early, you have an upper hand, just like JEE. It's not that you need to know everything before getting into competitive coding. If you are comfortable with any one of the languages like C, C++, Java, that's enough to start. And if you have a slight knowledge of data structure or algorithms, that will be very useful to it. But again, I would say that's not necessary. That will be just useful to you and that will enhance your knowledge. Nobody is born with this skill. It's a skill that you can acquire just by practicing. So keep practicing. Another question, and the most important question. Why this is the most important question? Because everyone knows what is competitive programming, when to start, and why to start. But everyone gets stuck on the point how to start. So in this, we will be dealing how to start competitive programming. First, you need to choose a language that you are comfortable with. It can be C, C++, or Java. Understand the concept of time and space complexity. Why I am telling this? Because there exists more than one solution to a problem, so you need to come up with the best solution, and that is decided by how much time you take in solving a problem. Learn the fundamentals of data structures and algorithms. That will be very useful to you. Now the most important part of this point. There are various online websites to have a kickstart. They are CodeChef, CodeForces, Geek for Geeks, and what I recommend to you is HackerRank. If you are involved with competitive programming, then you need to be very patient. It may happen while solving challenging problems. You may get wrong answers and errors. So don't get discouraged and never give up. The more you practice, the more you become better. Before ending this video, one last thing that I would like to tell you, it's never the right time to start, so better you start from now. And please suggest us the topic in the comment section that you want us to make videos on. Till then, stay tuned, we will soon be back with another video.